Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Hassan and today I'm gonna be making an iced peppermint mocha. It's a super fast recipe, super simple. It's gonna be great for the holiday season so you could bring it to Thanksgivings. So let's check it out and let's get started. First things first, get a pot. Turn on your heat to medium-high. Combine 1.5 cups of milk, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and let it come to a boil. Once it starts coming to a boil, add in 3 teaspoons of ground coffee and 1 tablespoon of hot cocoa powder. Get your milk frother and blend. Lower the heat to medium-low and make sure all ingredients are blended in. Once all your ingredients are well blended, turn off the heat and pour it into a mason jar. Let it cool in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once chilled, mix one last time. Finish off with some ice and hit it with whipped cream. And just for a little razzle-dazzle, add a little crushed peppermint. And that's how you make a peppermint iced mocha. If you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, peace.